It's depend on how you're feeling at that moment, okay?
Right.
So let's go again. How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Okay, that is pretty awesome. So now, what are you doing?
Um, uh, I'm I at home and
You're at home?
learn homework.
I'm at home. I am at home doing my homework. Again,
I am at home and I'm doing homework.
that is awesome. You're at home and you are doing your homework. Okay, that is pretty awesome. Okay,
Okay.
so did you cook today?
Cook.
Yes.
No, I don't cook. Then.
Why? You can't cook
mm, I can cook noodle and egg.
noodles and egg. Okay.
Yes.
What about chicken? Can you cook chicken?
What?
Can you make chicken? Can you cook chicken?
I don't know chicken.
Oh, you don't know chicken.
Yes.
You don't know chicken.
No, I don't know chicken.
Yeah, I think it's ga or Gaza. Ga or Gaza. Something like that. Ga or Gaza. In Vietnam, it's called ga or Gazan. Do you know Gazan?
Yeah, I know. Chicken.
Okay.
Yes, I know.
Chicken. Yeah. That's what I said. I said chicken. I said chicken. You say you don't know chicken. I'm kind of surprised you don't know chicken. I'm
Yes, I
surprised.
know chicken.
Okay, you know chicken, right?
Yes. But I don't know to cook chicken.
Oh, you should ask your mom. You should learn how to cook. I can
Mm.
cook chicken, okay? You know, chicken is my favorite. That's my favorite of all time. So I love to make chicken very well. I love to make a a fried chicken. Do you know the fried one? The fried chicken.
I like fried. I very like fried chicken.
Oh, okay. I like fried chicken very much. I like fried chicken very much.
Mm.
And you, do you like fried chicken?
Yes, I like fried chicken very much.
Awesome. Okay, that is what you're supposed to say. I like, I like. Not okay. So now, what did you go to school today?
No, I don't go to school today.
No, I didn't go to school today. No, I didn't go to school today.
No,
Why
I
don't you go to school today?
because in my country they are on holiday in uh Thursday and Friday.
Okay, what holiday is that?
Mm, uh, I don't know that holiday. People usually say that 1st of May. Uh, 1st of May's holiday.
Okay, you know, my student told me the holiday is about a king. Is that true? The
What?
holiday is about a king. My student told me the holiday is about a king in Vietnam. Is it true?
Yes, it's true.
It's about the king. The
Mm,
holiday is about. Okay, okay, it's fine. So, what sports did you do today?
no, I don't play sports because in 2 days I don't go to school and uh, in on holiday I at home every day learn and learn to have a test last test.
Okay, that is pretty awesome. Okay, when are you writing your exam? When are you writing your test or exam?
Mhm. It's
When exams?
in next week and more next week.
Next week?
Yes,
Next week. Why next week?
I don't know. My school say that.
Play football or you can participate on any sport is when you go to school.
Yes.
Okay. I played football today and I had 3 goals. Do you know that?
Three goals. What station do you play? You play in
No, not station. What position? Not station.
what you play in the
What?
station? Grass artificial.
Okay. I think you want to say, what position do you play, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I played as a striker.
Um, what grass you play?
I play as
Artif
a striker.
oh what grass in on the floor is artificial grass artificial.
Pardon? Can you repeat your question again?
Mm, do you play in the natural grass? What? I ask, do you play in the natural grass or grass?
In a natural position.
Yes. If you play in
I
the
play
if you play in the natural grass,
I played I have a team, okay? I have a team and I played as a striker. Sometimes I play as number 9. Do you know the position called 9?
yes.
Jason,
What?
do you know the position called 9? Number 9.
Okay.
I play number 9, I play number 7, and I play number 3.
Did you wear football
I
boots?
play to win, okay? I play 3. Sometimes I
That's
can play as a no as a false 9.
okay. Is that a match?
Okay, can I see your homework?
What I don't see homework.
That's your homework.
I
Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Okay, now let me look for your question. Let me look for the textbook now. Wait. You know, I love to play football every day. Do you like playing football every day?
yes, I very like this. Uh, I play in the big match, and when I play in the last match, but I don't champion. I in the second, my team on the second, and only have the best player in the match.
Okay.
I have a title the
Okay.
best player.
Okay. Okay. But do you know that? Okay. So the last time I played a football match, my team came first, and I scored the winning goal. We won the trophy. We won the money given us the what we won all the things set, all the things involved. When you are going to win a competition, we're able to win, and I was so happy. You know, I won the team.
Yeah.
I won the match for my team, and I felt happy. You know, after the game, my team was like, "Oh yeah, yeah, Ure Smith, Ure Smith." I was so happy. You know.
My team is on the final match, but I'm not a champion. I only on the second, but I have a title the best player.
Um, you have the title of the best player.
Yes, the best player in the match.
This also, wow, that is really awesome. The best player in the competition. For you not for you to be out the final and for you to have the best player means you try.
Yes.
Okay, you do you like to play as a defender, a midfielder, or a striker? Which do you prefer?
I prefer in the I don't know. I mean in the English.
Which do you prefer? A winger, you played at the wing, a striker,
Uh,
or a midfielder?
I play in a striker, and I have many goals and many construct.
Many assists, not construct. Many assists.
Many assists.
I have many assists.
I have many assists.
That is pretty awesome. Okay, now let's go to the next one now. So now let's talk about I want you to read. Can you see the textbook?
Time measurement.
No, try again. Mm. Break it into different syllables. Break
uh,
the words, then pronounce together.
Time management.
That is awesome. Time management. That is pretty awesome. The next one.
What?
Tell me what you understand by the word time management. What do you understand by the word time management?
Uh, I understand about time management is I have uh I have a time in the all day. I use in For example, I use one first 1 hour I have breakfast and I go home. I learn in the 3 hour and I play sport in the 2 hours and I I play video games in 2 hours and I have uh and I have uh dinner in 30 minutes and I learn in 3 hours and I go home and I go to the bed in 9 hours. That for example, I know time management.
That is awesome. Okay, the time management means the way you need to manage your time. Okay, just the way you need to manage your time. That is all it means by the time management. You need to manage your time. You need to go to school by 9, by 8, or let's say by 7. You need to wake up by 6:30. Prepare yourself after breakfast to take your birds, brush your teeth, do all the necessary things you need to do at home. Then you pick the nearest buses or you ride your bike, and you need to be at school by 7. So you need to manage your time. That is what it means. When it comes to a debate, you need to check your time. You need to check your time. You need to manage your time. You need to construct all the things you want to say. You need to construct You need to construct all the things you want to say during the debate. So you need to make sure you manage your time. Some of the time, the debaters, the judges might give you the judges might say you have just 60 seconds. The judges might say you have a 5 minutes. Some judges can say you have a minute. Okay, and each of this minute is been divided into different segments because we have a three speaker. We have the speaker one, we have the speaker two, and we have the final speaker in each team. Okay, so you need to manage your time when it comes to the competition or the debate. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, now can you see game 60-second challenge? It's a 60-second challenge. Okay, and this 60 second, you need to say the necessary things you have to say in order for you to convince the judges that you have a point to prove. Okay, now let's go to the next one now. 60-second challenge. How it works. Number one, I want you to read number one.
Um, how it works. Teacher gives a fun topic. Um, example given. Why ice cream is the best dessert. Two students must talk for exactly 60 seconds. If they stop before 55 seconds, too short. If they go past 65 seconds, too long. Closest to 60 seconds, win.
Okay, how it works. Teacher gives a fun topic. E.g., example. That is the meaning of the E.g., okay? Why ice cream is the best dessert. Number two, student must talk for exactly 60 seconds. Okay, you need to talk for exactly 60 seconds. If they stop before 55 seconds, it's too short. If they go past 65 seconds, it's too long. The closest to 60-second wins. Okay, so now can you tell me why ice cream is the best dessert when it's come to drinking of ice cream? Why do you think ice cream? Okay, let me say, why do you think ice cream is the best?
Ice cream is the best because it's very yummy and too it's very yummy and not too sweet they can we can eat in we can eat. It's very delicious. But if they eat when we very hot, it's very cool to eat and very delicious to eat ice cream. Um, when I eat ice cream, uh, the ice cream is very cold and it's very yummy. It's help me no not hungry or until the desert and we eat it's also uh, not good and eat not a lot.
75 seconds. 75 seconds. Okay, you have to speak about a 60 second, not 75. So you have to manage your time. In a nutshell, all you need to do is to take note of your time. You need to be conscious of your time. When speaking, you need to try to count on your head for you to know exactly when to stop your point or your speaking or your debate or your topic, anything you're doing at that particular time. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
That is awesome. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay. You need to make sure you didn't exceed the time and you don't stop before the time. Okay. Now I want you to read why time is important. I want you to read. Why do you think time is so important?
Why time is important? Debaters only get 2 or 4 minutes to speak depending on format. Speaking too short uh, equal weak case. Speaking too long equal cut off by timer. Learning balance helps deliver complete and clear arguments.
Okay. Now I'm going to read again. I want you to read. Okay. You will read again. So now I want you to listen to my pronunciation. Okay. Why time is important. Okay, now this person is going to explain the reason why time is so important when it comes to a debate. Number one, debaters only get 2 to 4 minutes to speak. The debaters have a 2 to 4 minute depending on the format, depending on how the format is going to be. It might be 2 minutes, it might be 3 minutes, it might be 4 minutes. It depends on the topic, depend on the motion. Okay, depend on the motion. Number two, speaking too short, weak case. When you speak too short, you have a weak case. Speaking too long. When you speak too long, cut off by timer. You will be cut off by timer. Now you need to learn learning balance helps deliver complete and clear arguments. You need to learn how to beat the time, not to exceed the time, or not to stop before the time. So now you need to learn how to balance the time. That is why time is so important. Okay,
Okay.
learning helps deliver complete and clear arguments. So read again. Read again.
Read again or read or teacher.
Read again.
Mm, debaters only get 2 until 4 minutes to speak depending on format. Speaking too short equal quick case. Speaking too long equal cut off by timer. Learning plans help deliver complete and clean arguments.
Complete and clear arguments. Complete and clear arguments.
Complete and clear arguments.
Awesome. Okay. That is pretty awesome. So now let's go to the next one now. I want you to read. Read, let's see.
Common time problems. Too fast.
The common time problems, okay? Wait, these are the common problems we have all the time. The problems we have most of the speakers. These are the problems they have all the time, okay? The time is most important when it comes to debate. The last time I went to a debate competition, it happens I have to be the last speaker. I am the third speaker, and I was given just 60 seconds to give my point. And the 60 second is it's not about my point. It's about the point of the speaker one. It's about the point of the speaker two. I just have to explain more and to close the argument in 60 seconds. And I was able to do that in 58 seconds. Okay. So now you need to be conscious of your time. You need to know your time. You need to think about your time. You need to calculate your time on your head. Okay. Like when you are speaking, you say one, two, three, four, five, six. You'll be speaking. You'll be counting the time. Okay. When you notice you're about to read, when you notice your time is about to exceed 60 seconds, you stop. So now let's go. The first one,
Uh, too fast. Rushing audience confused. Too slow. Don't finish point. Too much content. No time to explain. Too little content. Finish in thir- 30 seconds.
okay? So in this per se, the first one is too fast, rushing, audience confused. When you are too fast, you are rushing the audience, and the audience are confused. Too slow, don't finish point. When you're too slow, you need to have maybe you have about 5 points. You will not be able to explain the 5 points. You might end up by explaining just 2 or 3 points. Too much content. When you have too much content, no time for you to explain. So little content, you finish in the 30 seconds. When you have a little content, you finish in 30 seconds. So you need to make sure you balance the time, you balance everything, you didn't exceed anything. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, now I'm going to give you an homework. Your homework now. Your homework.
Yes.
Homework. Make a video. You need to make a video in 60 seconds. Tell me who is better, Ronaldo or Messi, in 60 seconds. Your video must be 60 seconds, which means 1 minute. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so are you done?
Yes.
So goodbye and see you next week.
Okay, goodbye.
Make sure you do your homework, okay?
Okay.